My name is Amelia Rampe, and I'm a food stylist and recipe developer. My path into food is a long and winding road. I was always interested in cooking as a child. I would try to take a box of cornbread and make it for my mom and surprise her. But I really didn't get into it until I was older. And it wasn't until I was in my mid-30s that we decided to move to New York so I could go to culinary school. I love chicken adobo. I cook it all the time for my family. I love to use the bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I'll season those chicken thighs with soy sauce and black pepper. I love the induction cooktop. It's super sleek and super easy to use. It heats up very quickly, giving my chicken a really, really beautiful golden sear. Growing up, my mom didn't look at food as a career. She was an immigrant, so of course I think a lot of expectation from immigrant parents is that their children become a lawyer or a doctor. So it wasn't something that she really encouraged me to do. I add soy sauce, vinegar, lots of garlic, lots of black pepper, bay leaf, and a little raw sugar to give it some caramelization and glossiness at the end. These are the basis of adobo, but everybody's adobo is different. Every family has a different recipe. Once you add the soy and the vinegar and all of the rest of the aromatics to the pot, you want to turn your heat up and bring it to a boil. Cover the Dutch oven with a lid, and then you want to pop it in the oven. As a professional cook, I love the side opening wall oven because it creates a lot of ease and comfort on my back. I'm Filipino American, but even though I was mostly raised in the United States, I did get to spend a few years of my childhood in the Philippines with my mom and my great-grandma. And I have tons of incredible memories of living there. But what I remember the most is my great-grandma taking me on adventures. She would take me to the marketplace, and there would be vendors selling vegetables and fish and meat and all the smells and the sights and the chaos. It's just such an awesome memory. I braise it in the oven for 45 minutes, and after that point, I'll take the lid off. And I do this because I want the liquid to reduce a little bit more. And I'll continue to braise it in the oven for about 15 more minutes. I always serve adobo with freshly steamed rice. And I love to serve it with some steamed green beans to kind of give you a clean bite when you have such vibrant flavors. I make chicken adobo quite often for my family. It's so easy, it's so fast. You can have dinner in under an hour for your family. My kids love adobo. I always make enough for dinner one night and then also enough for dinner the next night. I always try to bring my culture to my family, but one of the ways I'm able to do that is through food. This is really one of my all-time favorite things to eat. I can't wait for you to try it.